In less than 30 days, the universe has undergone unexpected upheavals, marking the emergence of an unexpected cosmic visitor. Initially, its presence was unremarkable, akin to a new friend for our familiar moon. However, as time passed, it became apparent that this was no ordinary cosmic event. So, what caused Uranus's instability? And how does this collision affect us? Welcome to our channel UNIDUCK, and today I'll take you through the story of what if Uranus collided with Earth. Imagine just a month ago, Uranus was peacefully residing on the distant fringes of our solar system, 3 billion kilometers away from us. However, without any warning, it embarked on a journey towards us, challenging the planetary norms. Astronomers were the first to sound the alarm, predicting a collision course with Earth in just 13 years. It seemed like enough time to prepare for evacuation, a glimmer of hope amidst the impending danger. But that giant had a different plan. Uranus accelerated unusually, hurtling towards us at a staggering speed of 1,000 kilometers per second. Suddenly, humanity was left with only a month before the potential despair. As Uranus drew closer, its cerulean hue illuminated the night sky, a mesmerizing yet ominous sight. Along with its approach came meteor showers, disrupted from their orbits by Uranus's gravitational pull. The truth is that the size of this planet is much larger than the rock that caused the extinction of the dinosaurs many years ago, now leaving humanity with nowhere to run, only to stand and await doomsday. With each passing day, Uranus grew larger, its presence dominating the sky. As it approached, the planet unleashed chaos on Earth. Volcanoes erupted in fury, earthquakes shook the ground, and the air was polluted by the stench of rotten eggs from Uranus's atmosphere. It's nauseating. But that giant wasn't alone. It brought all 27 of its galactic companions down to Earth, attacking it from all sides. In a fit of rage, Uranus squeezed out the remaining air of Earth, igniting it into a smoky blaze. Our beautiful blue planet sank into the grasp of Uranus, becoming another moon in its orbit. But Uranus's victory was short-lived. The last time it collided with a planet twice Earth's size, it was knocked off its axis, resulting in a wobbly rotation. Perhaps this collision with Earth would restore balance to Uranus's chaotic spin. As the dust settled and the fires faded, the remnants of Earth orbited Uranus, a somber reminder of what once existed. Yet amidst the chaos, a glimmer of hope remained. If life could rise again from Earth's ashes, Uranus would adorn the twilight, a beacon of hope in a tumultuous universe. So, dear viewers, as we gaze upon the green light of Uranus in the night sky, let us remember the fragility of our existence and the resilience of our own lives. For whether we are inhabitants of Earth or moons of Uranus, the story of humanity will endure, etched into the fabric of the universe forever. And if you enjoyed this, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel to catch me earliest.